In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys a trick in which a card is selected, it then vanishes from the deck and appears under your watch. This is a great trick. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so we're going to start off the trick by having the spectator call stop whenever they'd like. So let's say they say stop right about here. We'll go ahead and show the card to the spectator right here. 7 of diamonds. Let's just put it back in the middle. Now, what happens is when we actually flip the deck over, your card is somewhere in the middle of the deck, but what happens is when we actually go through the cards and we try to look for the 7 of diamonds, what happens is it's actually completely gone from the deck. You can actually have the spectator look at this. Now that the card is gone from the deck, obviously it has to be somewhere, so where is it? And you see, if I turn my watch over, there's actually a card under there. If we take a look at it, just happens to be your card, 7 of diamonds. So that's the trick, guys. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so there's a few things you're going to need for this trick. First of all, you're going to need a watch, obviously, and then you're also going to need 2 duplicate 7 of diamonds. Now this is very easy to do. If you have 2 decks of cards that are the same card or deck, you can just get 2. It's very easy. But what you're going to want to do is actually fold one of these. So just fold one of the 7 of diamonds into one corner like this. Now another thing you're going to need is double-sided tape. This is very easy to find. You can just go to any store and they will have it. So just get a little strip of it and just stick it onto the top card. If you can see it right there, I have a piece on there. Now what this is going to do is this is how we're going to vanish the card and make it disappear from the deck. Now in the performance, they probably won't see this, but if just in case they do, you can just be holding your thumb over it or something like that. I promise they're not really going to look at it or see it. It could possibly happen, but I highly doubt it. Now what you're going to do is take the other 7 of diamonds and just put it on the bottom of the deck. And what you're going to do here is you're going to force the card. Now this is actually one of the easiest forces, but I think it's pretty fooling. So what we're going to do is just have them call stop whenever they'd like. Does not matter. Let's say they say stop right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to use your index finger here to just swing over this packet, this top packet. You're going to grab it, and then you're just going to show this card. And now all that's doing is just showing them the bottom card. But to them, it looks like you're showing them this card. If you just do it really quick, you just kind of hit it like that, and then show them like that. It is very convincing. I promise this will work. Now, what you're going to do is once you do the force and you show them the 7 of diamonds, all you do is just put the deck back on and maybe pinch the cards a bit just to get the tape to stick. Now what this is going to do is make the card completely vanish. And now, right now it's just behind this card. It looks like one card. It's a bit thicker, obviously, but they're not going to notice when you're just going through the cards. And then obviously you're going to have this corner or this folded up card under your watch. And what you're going to do, just so that they don't see it in the performance, is just move your watch over to the side a bit like this. And then just put the corner, or I keep saying corner, the folded up card all the way to the side. So just over a bit, not to where it's like on the side, but that way when you're doing your trick and you're holding the deck like this, they're not going to see it from above. And then that's honestly all there is to it, guys. You don't have to do it to a watch. Obviously, if you don't want to, you don't have to even fold the card. You can just teleport it to your pocket. It does not matter. This possibilities are really endless for this kind of trick. You can have it teleport to wherever you want it to. So just be creative with it, and I hope you guys find this trick useful, and I hope you guys go and perform it. Trust me, it will get great reactions, and I'll see you guys next time.